He's worried about it's really slow and slow reload. It's really a distance sniping ship. You want to stay at 20 kilometers.
Yeah, but is that not an advantage for us?
Yeah, that's like
it's like the bargee.
Yeah, exactly. I just wanted to ask you the name of that.
Whereas
ship.
the Brandenburg is a bit more of a brawler. You can actually get in close, and when you get in close, you do some phenomenal damage.
Oh, I'll soon find out.
As if my daddy dies. The torpedo fire.
Yeah.
This is pretty well a Mance.
We have
a lesser version of the Mance.
Oh, the gears are slow. Okay, at least there's a spotter plane in this.
Now I got an attack aircraft.
Let's send one. Spotter is out.
Okay.
Brandenburg. Be careful.
Yes. Oh, there's a guy to my left, so that's not so bad. Yeah, well, the steering's terrible.
It's a battleship.
Awaiting instructions. I need intelligence data.
I don't know what the trajectory on the guns are like. I just want to see what my guns are like on trajectory.
The guns are faster than the one I bought. Or not bought, but, you know, in the tree.
Yeah.
I'm moving around. The other ones are terrible.
God, this thing has got 16.6 kilometer range. Jesus Christ.
Oh, Ricky took him out. I'm getting over here because I'm going to he's going to send out another fucking torps. It's alright.
Rich is running away.
Because I know usually them two wee fuckers sends out a load of
No,
torps.
we have to go there. Just go there.
Yeah, I know. I'm just staying away from the fucking torpedoes, mate.
No, you're leaving the area.
I'm not leaving the area. I am just going to go and hit the land.
He's away for a picnic.
There's a beach there. It's a nice, sexy beach. Look. We can get sandburns while we lie on the beach.
Did your spotter run, Pista?
Yeah, but I'm detected.
Well, I'm right in the pink. Muds does more damage, definitely.
Yes.
Okay, we're safe here. For now.
Undetected.
Yeah, me too. By torpedoes.
I'm heading to 6.6 kilometers because that's where the aeroplanes start coming from.
Do we have any more ships here
That should be
in
it.
the smoke?
I think we've done it.
Yeah, but I'm detected all the time, and you left me. Everybody left me here.
Oh, what you been doing down
Oh
there?
shit, man.
Watch the torps.
Ship is on fire.
Does he turn in? Because I know he's going to tarp me.
I think that someone is in the smoke here.
Ah, ye.
There's another one here, mate. There's another one.
There is a small fucker.
Yeah, the problem is he's gonna. There's gonna be another whole round.
Oh
of torps.
shit. Yeah, I'm going to get them all.
No.
Yep. Yeah, I'm dead.
Oh no, you're not. Oh fuck.
Got every one of them.
Oh, they aimed at you. That was the fucking second wave. Darn it.
Oh shit.
You killed my guy.
Oh, Rich.
Yeah. Say bread. Alright, that's. I
I'm
can switch.
selling it. Yulevsky, I'll sell it now. Fucking thing.
I can switch to your players now though for the video.
Where's the fucking base? Oh fuck! It's way back there. I'm fucking going well into the danger zone with this glass ship.
Attack enemy aircraft.
It's only got 30,000 fucking. Here we go. I'm going aircraft. Go on. I want to get these aircraft. Get the aircraft. Send up my fighter. Send up my fighter. I got one. Got two. Here they are. They're all coming in now. They're all coming in.
Well done.
Battle ends in 5 minutes.
I'm dead. Dead.
Oof.
Mister. Not a bad little ship.
Good hit. Another good hit.
This aircraft base is nearly done. That's it, it's gone. Aim at the other one, mate. Don't worry about the outer bases, it's just the aircraft base to attack.
Yeah, I'm doing that.
It's gone. We won. The battleship wants to beach itself.
Yeah.
Well done.
Don't kill me, don't kill me. Have present for you. Actually, I played this quite well.
Ah, bottom of the pile, Dickie.
Oh, that was unfortunate
should
because you
keep-
shouldn't have. That I've been caught out by the second bunch of torpedoes. I've been caught out twice by them. You've got to think when you see those ships, turn towards them.
Yeah,
So
that's
at
what I
least you'll only
tried.
have. You'll only. You were right broadside. You were like a T.
Yeah, but there was two of them ships. I took out one,
Yeah.
and
I know.
then I had to turn away from it to get all guns, and then of course the other one appeared.
That was an alright game.
It's
Got
always like that.
six aircraft. I only need about 4. What credits did I make? Oh, 206,000. That's alright.